In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in Clickup. This process is straightforward and will only take a few minutes, making it perfect for organizing your tasks and enhancing your productivity. Whether you're managing projects for work or tracking personal goals, creating a list in Clickup is an excellent way to start. First, you'll want to head over to the Clickup website. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page and find the Login button. Clicking on this button will take you to the login page where you can access your Clickup account. For those who enjoy seamless integration with Google, Clickup offers a convenient option to continue with Google. Selecting this will allow you to choose your preferred Google account, making the login process quick and simple. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself in the Clickup workspace. On the left panel of this page, you'll notice the plus icon, which is where the magic begins. Click on this icon to open up a new set of options. From the menu that appears, you'll select List. This is where you'll start creating your new list. Lists in Clickup help you keep track of related tasks, ensuring you can easily find and manage projects in one organized place. Now it's time to name your list. Selecting a name is a crucial step as it helps identify and categorize your tasks effectively. Make sure to choose a name that reflects the purpose of your list clearly, whether it's for a specific project, team collaboration, or personal goals. Once you've decided on a name, type it in the designated field. A thoughtful name can make all the difference when you're searching for a list in the future, so take a moment to pick one that will work for you. The final step is to click on Create. This action completes the process and adds your new list to your Clickup workspace. You'll now see your list on the platform, ready to be populated with tasks, deadlines, and other details pertinent to your project. Congratulations! You've successfully created a list in Clickup. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to manage your tasks more efficiently and stay on top of your projects. To recap, in just a few moments, you've learned how to navigate to Clickup, log in, create a list, name it, and officially add it to your workspace. This process is a fantastic way to get organized and ensure you're on the right track with all your tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in setting up your lists in Clickup. Remember, consistent organization is key to successful project management.